Okay, sir. How are you, sir?
Good, pretty good. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. What's your name, please?
Carlos Rodriguez.
Mr. Carlos, how are you? Where are you from, please?
We are from Miami.
Miami. Okay, sir. First of all, welcome to Jordan. It's just if you let us know your opinion about your tour in Jordan generally. What do you think about your tour in Jordan, please?
Well, it has been amazing for me. I've found a lot of things I didn't know that they exist in this world. And the first thing to tell you is the hospitality of the Jordan people. We feel pretty safe, pretty loved here, and there's a very good place, even in these times, to come over here for tourists.
Okay, thank you very much for your opinion. Okay, sir, what do you think about Petra Nights Tours, the company that organizes this tour for you? What do you like to say to them?
Well, it has been excellent. They met us at the airport. That was very friendly. It's like we know each other for times, and actually the hospitality and the service has been pretty good. So thank you very much for your help and for your service here in this tour.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope you to spend a good time as long as you're in Jordan. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Take it.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you.